Welcome children, this is Trinity Academy Matriculation Higher Secondary School. I am your EVS teacher. Now I am going to teach lesson 2, Going into Space. Let's move on to the lesson children. Yes. What is space? The earth is surrounded by air. Beyond this layer of air is space. Once again I repeat children, the earth is surrounded by air. Beyond this layer of air is space. What is gravity? The pull or force of attraction is called the force of gravity. Once again I repeat children, the pull or force of attraction is called the force of gravity. For example, if you throw a stone up in the air, it will fall back to the ground. That is why it is not easy to get out of the earth's pull and escape into space. We need special vehicles which have the power and speed to take us away from the earth's gravitational force. A space rocket puts a spacecraft into space. The next one is human on the moon. Humans went to the moon for the first time in a spacecraft called Apollo 11. In 1969, the first human who stepped on the surface of the moon was Neil Armstrong. The first words he said on landing on the moon were, "That's one small step for man, but a giant leap for mankind." Edwin Aldrin and Michael Collins were the other two astronauts who traveled with Neil Armstrong. The next one is life of the moon. There is no air or water on the moon. So there are no plants and animals or people. There are huge portals called craters on the surface of the moon. The craters on the surface of the moon are much bigger than the portals on our roads. The next one is space travel. The astronauts go into space in a spacecraft. They wear special suits that contain a supply of oxygen. These suits also protect them from harmful rays. Inside the spacecraft, they conduct experiments. When needed, astronauts even have to repair the spacecraft while in space. Rakesh Sharma was the first Indian to go into space. The next one is Kalpana Chawla. Kalpana Chawla was the first woman of Indian origin to go into space. She went into space in the Space Shuttle Columbia in 1997. She went into space again in January 2003. However, she died on 1st February 2003 when her space shuttle crashed on the return journey. The next one is Sunita Williams. Sunita Williams is the second woman of Indian origin to go into space. During her first space flight, she stayed in space for 195 days. Okay children, now I recall the lesson once again shortly. Space is beyond the layer of air around the earth. The pull or attraction of the earth is called gravity. Space rockets are used to escape from the earth's pull and other into space. There is no air or water on the moon. Thus, there is no life on the moon. Space travelers give us information about space. Thank you, children. Thank you. We will see in the next class.